DaemonSets, running pods on every node. In this lesson, we'll explore DaemonSets, a powerful Kubernetes workload controller designed for running node-level services across your cluster. A DaemonSet is a Kubernetes workload controller that ensures a copy of a pod runs on every node in the cluster, or on a subset of nodes based on selectors. Think of it as a way to deploy system-level services that need to be present on each machine in your infrastructure. DaemonSets have three key characteristics. First, they automatically deploy a pod to new nodes when they're added to the cluster. Second, they remove pods when nodes are removed from the cluster, keeping everything synchronized. Third, they can target specific nodes using node selectors, giving you fine-grained control over where pods are deployed. DaemonSets are perfect for node-level services. Common use cases include node monitoring agents like Prometheus or Datadog, log collection agents such as Fluentd or Logstash, security and compliance tools that need to run on every machine, and cluster storage daemons like Ceph or Gluster FS. Let's look at a basic DaemonSet YAML structure. It starts with API version apps/v1 and kind DaemonSet. The metadata section includes the name, in this example, monitoring-agent. The spec section contains a selector with match labels. Here we're using app:monitoring to identify the pods. The template section defines the pod specification. It includes metadata with labels matching our selector, in this case app:monitoring. The spec section defines containers, where we specify the container name, such as agent, and the image to use, like monitoring-agent:latest. You can target specific nodes with labels using node selectors. In the spec section, add a node selector field with your desired labels. For example, disk:/SSD and environment:/production. This ensures the DaemonSet only deploys pods to nodes matching these criteria, such as production nodes with SSD storage. Let's compare DaemonSets with deployments. DaemonSets run one pod per node and are designed for node-level services, with no replica count needed. Deployments, on the other hand, support multiple replicas across the cluster, are designed for application services, and require manual scaling configuration. Choose DaemonSets for infrastructure services and deployments for application workloads.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.